Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now it's so weird because when I'm filming in a new space, I always assume that you guys know I'm in a new space because you get used to seeing me in the same space. So usually the filming spot that I film in my living room is so sunny. I got some new curtains because 7 destroyed the last pair. So the pair that I got, it's not as thick as the last pair, but I can't find the last pair because it discontinued it. Long story short, the sun is beaming, and although I love the sun and it gives me serotonin and it gives me vitamin D, it's not good for filming YouTube videos. It's not. I just look orange. It's just really bad. So I said, you know what? Let me come into my room. I think the lighting is better. You guys can see me. You guys can hear me. And for this video, I want you guys to be able to see me because this wig is the bomb. I'm collaborating with Jaliza.com. That's Jaliza. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Jaliza before I get into installing this wig because this wig is so beautiful. So today I was sent Jaliza's full hand-tied 50% HD lace 32-inch tangleless boho braid human hair box braid wig. I've never had boho braids before. I've only had, you guys know I've had extension braids like I would say a year or two ago when I went on my first CNA assignment and I got my real hair braided, and it was a horrible experience because my natural hair is really thin, especially in the front. So it was very painful when I got it done, and then also like I felt like the braids were so heavy, it was like adding to more rippage of my hair. So after that, because I'd never done it before that, I just wanted to experience it, and I was going on an assignment for 13 weeks, so I was like, you know what, why not just get my hair braided? So I'm never doing that again. That's just not what I'm into, but I love a braided wig. This is the box that it comes in, just like this. Yes, and this is how it looks when you open the box. Look how pretty that is. It says Jaliza, joy alongside lavish inspirations, zealously achieve. I love the box. The box makes me happy. So let's open this package. Okay, so I have a little hanger. I'm assuming this is for a wig. I've never had a wig hanger. I always stuff my wigs in like bins, but I have a wig hanger. That's what it came with. I have a wig cap, and this is a Jaliza wig cap. This is not like an average wig cap. It says, oh, so it says the same thing it says on the box. It just says a wig cap, breathable, smooth, stretchy. Okay, so this is their wig cap. So I think I'm going to take this one off and put this one on because I believe that this one I might not have to tint the lace. We're going to see. But this one I just put on for the purpose of the video. So I'm going to try the Jaliza's wig cap. As you can see, it's brown, which is a good thing. I got some lashes. Some nice lashes. I love lashes. Now let's get to the good part. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look, Jaliza.com. It came in this cute bag. Oh my gosh, it feels like I went to the my wig went to the dry cleaners and they brought it back to me. And in here, it's in another baggie, so it's literally very secure. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Look at, oh wait, I gotta take out this. I'm so excited, I'm like skipping steps. Okay, let's just say this wig is very secure. I love the packaging. I love the fact that they wrapped it up like it was like a queen. They wrapped this braided wig up like it was a queen. Now look at this, guys. Look at, I've never had goddess braids before, ever. So like I was saying, I've had box braids, knotless. Never had goddess braids. I always see it on Instagram and I see the girls that do it and I'm like, oh, I wish I had like a lot of hair, or I wish that my hair wasn't so, you know, light. My hair wasn't so thin and I wasn't so tender-headed. I would literally give them because I think I would look amazing in them. And I always like just get sad, like, oh, like I see so many beautiful girls, so many beautiful women and girls in it, and I'm like, they look absolutely gorgeous. Like, wow, I wish I can wear that. And today's my lucky day because I can wear it, because look at this. Oh my gosh, this looks exactly like the wigs that the girls on Instagram like go when they get their hair braided. Like look at the parting. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this wig has 2 clips in the front right there, so right on the side. It has a really thick strap that is adjustable actually, so I love that. So let me go ahead and adjust it before I put it on, because I like, ooh, chat, hold on. So adjustable strap, and it has 2 large clips in the back. 1, 2. And it also has, which I almost missed because it's so small, it also has the basic wig, you know, clips that go in the back, straps that go in the back of the wig. So I'm gonna actually take that off. So as you can see, this is the straps right here. It's really tight. I feel like the wig is already tight enough. I don't want to make it too tight, so I'm not going to really put that together. Before I get to installing this wig, I just want to show you guys how tangle free this wig is. Absolutely no tangles at all. Remove this. Do not judge my hair. I braided it myself because I didn't have any time to get it braided this week. Okay. Woo. Now it looks like I'm bald. So I'm gonna take my ears out so my ears are not like under the cap. But I just want to make sure that bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. Okay. So from the looks of it, I don't even think I need to tint a damn thing. The wig cap literally blends in with my scalp, like it looks like my scalp. So I don't even have to tint it. I can literally just put on this wig cap, put on the wig, and I'm good to go. Wow. I didn't even cut the lace yet, and you can't even see the lace. So I pushed the wig cap a little bit to the back because it was a little bit like right here. So I pushed it a little bit to the back, and I'm adjusting the clips, and the clips go right here. Look how tight it is. The clips go like right here. So I feel like I can wear this glueless. So the hair comes with baby hairs. As you can see these little curls right here, it comes with baby hairs. Look at the curl and look at the braid. Like it looks so professional. Like, oh my gosh, like this wig is so gorgeous. I'm just so excited and so happy. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like I got my goddess braids on. Ew. Okay, I love it. Okay, so let me read a little bit more about this wig. So this actually, human hair boho curls. That's what this wig has. Human hair boho curls. They're softer curls, and it says they're softer and the curls are held better. So these curls right here, this is human hair. Human hair. You understand what I'm saying? That's why it looks so good, because it's human hair, my babies. So I'm gonna actually use lace glue. I was gonna do a glueless look to show you guys how it looks glueless, but because there's a lot of different styles that I want to do which require an updo, I want to make sure that it's snug. So I'm going to be using Wig Dealer's Extreme Hold lace glue, and I'm going to show you guys how I style my boho. So just keep watching. Let's get right into installing this. No need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no. So I left at least this much lace on. I think this is a good amount. And take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Okay, so that's like, it's snug. I can feel it. I can feel the tightness already. Now I see why you girls like to use the lace glue or whatever. It snatches you up. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna just finish this part right here. Well, probably I'm gonna do like, yeah, just this part. Remember, I told you I wasn't doing this stuff. So.
wrist and just season. Shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you ice in every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you ice in every time. Can't you, can't you? Can you make me feel?
I'm gonna be using Esha's Melt and Slay Daily Mousse. Shake it up, shake it up.
Jam, jam, jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Shining like you ice in every time. Can't you, can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can't you? Can you make me feel like we could do? Oh, you make me feel like we could do it.
Okay guys, so it's been a few since it's been tied on my head, so I'm gonna take it off and see how it is. Also, I found these clips that I had got from Shein, and they have like little butterflies on them, and they're for braids. So I'm gonna add some little butterfly clips because I'm already wearing like silver jewelry, so I think it'll be perfect to put the clips in and see how it looks. But first things first, let's take this off and let's see how the hairline looks. Does it look like a wig, or does it look like I got my hair freshly braided in the salon? Ow. Honey, it looked like I got my hair freshly, but child, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, let me show y'all something real quick. Let me show y'all something real quick. Hold on. Cause you can't tell me I didn't get my hair professionally braided. You can't tell me anything.
Jam, jam, shining like you ice in every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they are guilty. And why? So kinda your neck is gold.
This is how the ends look. They're really curly. Perfect. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the back. Okay, so this is how it looks in an updo. You can do it like this. You can do it to the side like that. I think this is a cute look too. You can put it towards the back. That's so cute. You can actually do a bun also, so you don't have to do a pony if you don't want to. The bun looks really cute also. Yes. Shout out to Jaliza.com. You won't find this wig anywhere else, like especially a boho wig that doesn't tangle, that's tangleless. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think below. I love you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see more of this wig, and TikTok. I will link everything below, the wig, my TikTok, my social media, the website where you can find this wig. This is gonna be like my new summer wig. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay, but I'll see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.